Hello guys, in this small video I'm going to show you how to create users in Sophos firewall. Just click on this authentication tab, then go to the users, click on add and just add any name. Username and name could be a same, and here you need to put a password for user, and here you can select whether it's a user or administrator. Right now we are creating a user, so by default user radio button is enabled. Here you can enter a email ID. Suppose I'm entering a dummy name and dummy email ID. Here policy, which firstly is asking for the group, so which group you wanna fall. I'm selecting right now as a manager. Then it's asking for a suffering quota, unlimited internet access right now we are giving, or we can specify limited bandwidth. Then access time all the time. Then network traffic. Then traffic shaping, currently we are putting 8 Mbps capping over here. Remote access, it is asking for whether we are allowing that user to connect with VPN. It's asking for a SSL VPN, so currently no policy applied. And here you can see if we select this Sophos Client Connect, so it is enabled right now. So if we click on save, so by default this user will eligible to connect with Sophos Client Connect. And here you can select as simultaneously login. Here you can select global setting, or you can authenticate like this user can simultaneously log in on a 10 device, or you can select unlimited according to your requirement. And you can bind with a MAC address. If selected, you can enter a MAC address. You can enter a MAC address right now. Only user will only allow to access only those devices in which MACs are binding over here. Login restrictions you can set according to your requirement, and then after all this thing, just click on save. That's it. Thank you so much.